This is a 1996 Harley Davidson Sportster 883HUG. It's a project bike. First thing I've noticed, there's a few wires hanging around. There's no brake lever or cylinder there for a front brake. Looks like the tank's been painted with a brush. The engine's black. But anyway, it started really well. It was starting off the battery, but the battery's gone flat now. So turn the ignition on, and these two wires here. Petrol was off. I'll just try that again. I've not rode it. Don't think I'll bother.